Look at this animal hater. She's about to hit that cute little cat right there. Look, that's my cat. Her name's Mabel. Mabel, come up here. Mabel. See? Animal hater right here. Oh, I'll leave that for another vlog. She got tired. These gay ass sketchers. Okay, what? She don't know what to do, man. What should she do? You people of YouTube should. No, I'm kidding. Practice it. Be creative.